G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're looking at the best savings account in Australia as at May 2020. If you're not from Australia then feel free to watch, you'll still get the same principles that I use in choosing which is the best savings account. But if you are from Australia and you've got some extra cash and you're wondering where's the best place to park it, then this video is for you. I'm going to be taking you through all the different options, talking about the risks and the best accounts possible to put your money to make the best possible return. A lot has changed since I made my last video on Australian savings accounts. Interest rates have continued to come down. Obviously, coronavirus at the moment has slowed down economic activity and the Reserve Bank put down interest rates even more to an all-time low. So this video will go through what your options are in that low interest rate environment. Where can you find places to park your money? Not everyone has the risk profile where they can invest in shares or invest in more riskier financial assets. So this video is for you if you do need a safe place to park your money. Maybe you're going to buy a house soon, so you need just a place to park your money rather than buying some risky shares or cryptocurrencies. Banks is where you want to have your money. All right guys, if we go to my desktop, we can see here, I've just done a few Google searches, best interest savings rates, and it's led me to a few comparison websites that I've gone through. Always look through multiple sites because some of these comparison websites, you've got to pay money to get on them, and not all banks are going to pay to be on all of the different sites. So I've had a look through, and if you're looking for just a normal online bank or a bricks and mortar bank, and the best rate I have found is with Macquarie Bank. There we go, 2.65% for the first 4 months. That is the best rate you're going to find at the moment. Let's say you're saving up a house and potentially buying it later this year. This will be the perfect account to park your money. You get your 2.65%. And then after that, if you need to, you can move it out into one of these other accounts I'll show you in a minute. After the 4 months, I believe it reverts to 1.35%, which is not the worst rate, but you can do a lot better. And these days, it's so quick to open up an account. So I do recommend making this account, using it for the 4 months, and then after that, you can park it into one of these other accounts I will show you. Now, if you don't want to go with Macquarie, or you've already been with Macquarie for 4 months, well then, what are your other options? Well, we've got HSBC. They're offering 2.1% for 4 months. Again, not as good as Macquarie, but maybe you've already used Macquarie. And again, if you do use them, you're gonna have to find somewhere else after that 4 months is finished. Now, other banks that I featured on my last video were MeBank, and they've actually got 1.8%, and that's ongoing, which is actually a good rate in current circumstances. So they're offering 1.8%, and to unlock that 1.8%, you need to make at least 4 tap and go purchases in that month. If you're intending to use this account as your everyday transaction account, then this would be a good place to park your money, 1.8%, especially if you don't want to have a Macquarie account or you've already done the Macquarie account. So 1.8% is really good. Another online bank is UBank, which I think had a better rate last time. Now they're down to 1.6%, and to unlock that, you have to deposit $200 per month, which is annoying, but whatever, you just set it, maybe set another account up to deposit $200 a month in there, or you can just have your pay go in there. In last year's video, I featured Bank of Queensland. They had the best rate, I believe. Now they're offering a 1.6% per annum fixed term deposit, not as flexible as the other accounts. Now, if 1.8% is not enough for you, I do have an option for you. We've got these banking apps, which are new. We've got 86400, that's the name of the app. It's called 86400. It's Australia's first smart bank, as you can see there. We've also got Up. There's one called Up, and there's one called Volt Bank. So 86400 and Up, both are offering 1.85% per annum. So Up, you can see 1.8% there. The only difference is to unlock this rate, you have to deposit $1,000 a month in 86400. In Up, you have to just do 5 or more card purchases. So again, if you're planning on using this account as your everyday transaction account, then you'll easily unlock the rate in the Up app. But in the 86400 app, you do have to remember to deposit $1,000 per month. Now, let's say you're not working and you're not getting $1,000 per month. All you have to do is withdraw from your 86400 account into another account and then just send it straight back. So as long as you remember to do that, you will unlock the rate. So at the moment, that is the highest rate you're gonna get, 1.85% for ongoing, not including the special 4-month offer with Macquarie. There are some other accounts. MyState Bank, I believe, have a 2% rate if you live in New South Wales only. I'm not too sure about that. If you do live there, feel free to check it out. You can check out these other accounts. Suncorp, 1.8. Oh, here we go, Greater Bank. Sorry, Greater Bank has 2% if you live in New South Wales only, according to this website. We've got 1.85% with MyState Bank, but that's also a bonus account. I went to MyState Bank. Yeah, so here we go, 1.85%. And to unlock that, you need to deposit $20 or more into your bonus saver account. So that being said, you now have 3 options to get the maximum ongoing account for everyone in Australia in May 2020 is 1.85%. You've got MyState Bank, you've got 86400, and you've got the Up app. One thing to mention is some people are a bit hesitant to put their money into an app, but do rest assured that these apps are backed by the government guarantee. They've got a full banking license, they've got the government guarantee up to about $250,000, I believe. So if the bank falls over, the government will step in and give you your money up to that amount. But of course, you know, do your due diligence. But from my experience, these apps are fine. They're working fine at the moment. They have a full banking license. They're backed by the government guarantee. And they're quite convenient to use as well. There we go, backed and guaranteed, backed by the best. They're backed by Bendigo and Adelaide Bank. And deposits provided through the Up apps are protected by the financial claims scheme up to $250,000 per person. If you have more than 250K to invest, well, this probably isn't even the video for you. So to summarize, you've got 3 accounts, 1.85%, MyState Bank, 1.85% with 86400, and 1.85% with Up. If you just need a short-term solution, then you go to should be Macquarie, 2.65%, which is a great rate in the low interest climate that we are in at the moment. Anyway guys, I hope that video clears things up for you. Are there any banks I've left out? Let me know in the comments below. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just a suggestion. Do your own research before you invest in any financial product. But that being said, that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.